Git is very popular tool nowadays. It is very helpful. You can share files and collaborate within team. You can maintain different version of same file. So we are going to install Git in Ubuntu server. It is very small command to install Git. You require sudo privilege. So command is sudo apt install Git. Okay. So 30 download file size is 38.5 MB. So you just need to confirm yes. It will download the file and it will install the file. Later we will check the git version using the git -happen version command. And in coming videos we will learn more about the git. So it is about to install. Yeah, it's almost done. We can use the uh, git -happen version command to check the git version. Yeah, it's installed. Use the git -happen version. Yeah, it is installed. Git version 2.25.1. So we will see more configuration in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.